Okay, that is why I required the Chief PNP to be here. I would like him to explain his side properly. Dapat. Because as a commander, it's very basic. Dalawa yung ating function as a commander. Number one is the accomplishment of the mission. And number two is the welfare of our men. Dalawa yan. Magkatabi yan. Accomplishment of the mission, welfare of our men. Anong welfare ang ginawa niyo kay Grijaldo? Hindi ba talagang nilaglag ninyo siya? Dahil as I have said, you should be proud of him. Hero ninyo siya. Porke galit sa kanya yung Quadcom, galit na rin kayo sa kanya. Tama ba yun na behavior ng isang institusyon